Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to take lesson 4. It's called line plot. Okay, it's a type also from the graph. Okay, here look at the picture. The line plot means we are going to draw a straight line. Okay, and we are going to represent the data by x. Okay, each x means 1. Okay, each x means 1. So here we have a straight line, we have red, and we have one of x over the red. Okay, this means that we have only one red. Okay, the next one is blue, we have 4 x's. Okay, it means we have 4 blue. In the purple one we have 2 x's, it means we have 2. And the last one is green, we have 5 x's, it means we have 5. Here all the plots have labels to tell you what data is being counted. These are the labels, okay, that tell you what we are going to count. Okay, again, the line plot can also show data on the line with an x to show how many times an object or color or things has showed up. Okay, the line plot means it's the straight line that we represent the data by x. Okay, here if we want to take an exercise, how many hours do you watch TV yesterday? How many hours did you watch TV yesterday? Okay, we want to record the answer in a table. Okay, look at the table. Here we have the number of hours from 0 to 10. Okay, the tally marks, the dashes that we represent the data by. Okay, and the number of students. Okay, here we have in the 0 hours we have 4 students. 1 hour, okay, we have 2 students. We have 3 students watched for 2 hours. 1 student for 3 hours. 0 watched 4 hours. We have no student that watched TV for 4 hours. Here we have 7 students watched the TV for 5 hours. 2 students watched the TV for 6 hours. 1 for 7 hours. 3 watched the TV for 8 hours. 3 for 9 hours. And 5 for 10 hours or more than 10 hours. Okay, we want to use this table to represent the graph on the line plot. We are going to draw a line and number the line from 0 to 10. We are going to write the numbers under the line from 0 to 10. Look here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now, how many students watch the TV for 0 hours? They didn't watch at all. Okay, we have 4. Look at the table, we have 4. So we are going to draw 4 x's over the 0. We are going to draw 4 x's over the 0. Again, look at the table. How many students watched the TV for 1 hour? Here we have 2. So we are going to draw 2 x's. How many students watched for 2 hours? We have 3. How many students watched the TV for 3 hours? We have 1. We took the data from the table. Okay, you have to look at the table first, then draw the x's and represent the data on the line plot. Okay, how many students watched the TV for 4 hours? We have nothing, it's 0, so we are not going to draw any x. Okay, how many students watched the TV for 5 hours? We have 7, so we are going to draw 7 x's over the 5. How many students watched the TV for 6 hours? We have 2 students, so we are going to draw 2 x's. How many students watched the TV for 7 hours? We have only 1 student, so we are going to draw only 1 x. Okay, how many students watched the TV for 8 hours? We are going to we have 3, so we are going to draw 3 x's. How many students watched the TV for 9? It will be Also 3. So we are going to draw 3 X's. And how many students watch the TV for 10 hours or more? It will be 5. So we are going to draw 5 X's over the 10. Okay, now can you understand the line plot? It's very easy. Okay, now the next page. Now we are going to make a line plot. We have bags of beans. Do you know what the beans means? Let's count the number of beans in each one. Okay, please open your book, page 7. Now, if we have 2 bags with 53 beans, 3 bags with 57 beans, 5 bags with 60 beans, 1 bag with 51 beans, and 1 bag with 62. I want to use this data to make the line plot. Okay? First step we are going to write is to draw the line and number the line from 51 to 62 using the numbers of the bags, okay, of the beans. Okay, so we are going to draw the line, then number the line from 51 to 62. We got this number from the data that he gave us, okay? In the second step, we are going to draw the X's that represent the number of bags. Okay, so how many bags does it have? 51 beans, it's 1. So we are going to draw 1 X. How many bags have 53 beans? It will be 2. We don't have bags that contains 54 or 55 or 56 beans, okay? In 57 we have 3 bags, so we are going to draw 3 lines. We don't have any bags contains 58 or 59 beans, okay? In 60 the number of bags that contains 60 beans is 5, so we are going to draw 5 X's, okay? We don't have any bags contains 61, and we have only 1 bag that contains 62 beans, so it will be 1 X, okay? The next page, we are going to continue the line plot, okay? Here is the line plot that we draw and the number of X's, and here each X represents 1 bag. Each X represents 1 bag, okay? Here now we want to know the total number of beans. We want to know the total number of beans, okay? So we are going to add all the number of bags together, okay? Here we have 1 bag of 51, so we are going to write 51. We have 2 bags of 53, so we are going to repeat the 53 2 times according to the number of the bags, okay? So we are going to make 51 plus 53 plus 53, okay? 53 plus 53 equals 106, okay? Now we have 3 bags of 57, so we are going to repeat the 57 3 times. 57 plus 57 plus 57, it will be 171. And we have 5 bags of 60, so we are going to make 60 plus 60 plus 60 plus 60 plus 60. It will be 300. And we have 1 bag of 62. Now we are going to add 51 plus 106 plus 171 plus 300 plus 62. So the result will be 690. Of course, we can't add them together at the same time. We have to take each 2 numbers together, then when we find the answer, make it plus the 3rd number, and so on till we get the result, okay? So the result will be 690. Thank you for listening and see you next time.